If you think inspection means your product is high quality, you're already making a costly mistake. Many engineers, even experienced ones, fall into this trap every day. The result: rework, customer complaints, and wasted money. Today, we're going to uncover why inspection alone can never guarantee quality, and what actually works. Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained Simply, where we break down complex engineering and quality concepts into practical, real-world insights. If you want to improve your skills and understand quality the right way, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. Think about this: you've spent hours inspecting parts, checking measurements, reviewing reports, and still, defects reach the customer. Or worse, they show up too late. You inspected everything, but the problem still exists. Frustrating, right? This issue spans various industries, including automotive, medical devices, and electronics. Inspections are vital for detecting existing problems, yet they do not prevent issues from arising. By concentrating on post-issue identification, these sectors may miss chances for proactive measures that enhance quality and reduce the likelihood of problems before they occur. So here's the key difference: inspection finds defects after they happen. It answers, is this part okay? Quality, on the other hand, is about designing and controlling processes so defects never happen in the first place. So no matter how much you inspect, if your process is weak, defects will keep coming back. Inspection doesn't create quality, it only catches mistakes, often too late. Now, let's look at a few real-life examples. First one from the automotive industry. In an automotive project, a supplier kept failing torque requirements. The team increased inspection, but defects continued. Why? Because the real issue was inconsistent operator training and unclear process steps. Inspection could detect the problem, but couldn't fix it. Our second example is from the medical device industry. So in a medical device assembly, a contamination step was missed. The part passed inspection, but failed later in sterility testing. Again, inspection didn't prevent the issue. A controlled process would have. As you saw, in both cases, the mistake was the same: over-reliance on inspection. We need to understand that adding more checks doesn't improve quality. Fixing the process does. So what actually works? First, focus on prevention. Use tools like PFMEA to identify risks early. Second, control your process. A strong control plan ensures consistency. Third, empower your operators. Clear instructions and proper training prevent more defects than inspection ever will. Inspection should be your feedback tool, not your main strategy. At some point, every engineer runs into this. You inspect everything, but defects still happen. So instead of chasing perfect inspection, ask a better question: can this process prevent the defect in the first place? Even small improvements, clearer instructions, better checklists, simple process controls, can significantly reduce defects. That's how real quality is built. If you found this helpful, support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with a colleague, and subscribing to Engineering Explained Simply. Your support helps me create more practical content like this. Remember, inspection finds problems, but quality prevents them. Focus on the cause, not just the catch. I'll see you in the next video.